In my new apartment, I have a balcony. That's why my neighbor showed me this trick. Start by preparing a tall container. Pour in 1 liter of regular water, then add a small spoonful of black pepper, which acts as an irritant. Also add a small spoonful of granulated garlic, which has a strong repelling smell. Finally, add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon to boost the mixture's effect. Mix everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can fully activate. After that, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth to remove any spice residue. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle with a dispenser top. But that's not all. Take an old CD with a shiny surface. Cut a longer piece of string and thread it through the hole in the CD, tying it securely. Spray your balcony and other areas where pigeons like to perch. Then hang the CD so the reflected light will further discourage birds from coming near. Do this, and you'll get rid of pigeons for good. Hang them on your balcony. Pigeons won't dare to come back. These small pouches are almost invisible, but effectively prevent birds from perching on the railing. If pigeons are a problem, this simple trick will finally keep them away. Cleaning up after these birds is unpleasant. Their droppings stain balcony tiles and damage building facades. Sometimes pigeons even build nests on balconies. In spring, some people hang balloons or wrap aluminum foil around the railing to deter them. The crinkling and slippery surface of foil makes it unappealing for pigeons. But not everyone wants to wrap their balcony in foil. That's why this repellent is worth considering. Just hang a few of these small pouches and the problem is solved. Pigeons won't come near. Inside each pouch are balls with a distinct smell that effectively repels pigeons. Many people use them to keep moths away, but their scent also deters other animals, including pigeons. Wrap a few of these balls in a piece of fabric or gauze. Tie it up and hang it on the balcony railing. That's it. The birds won't come back. After the winter, I take aluminum foil and wrap the balcony railing with it. This method provides 100% effectiveness. Plain aluminum foil will ensure you won't have to do anything else. You surely have aluminum foil at home. It has many uses. Besides wrapping sandwiches and baking meat, you can use it in the dishwasher. Thanks to aluminum foil, glasses, cups, and cutlery are shiny. You've probably already discovered why it's worth throwing aluminum foil balls into the toilet tank. And you already know that aluminum foil is useful for removing grease after frying. The solidified grease can be thrown away with the foil. Thanks to the foil, you don't have to clog your pipes and spend money on a plumber. But you surely don't know about this use of aluminum foil yet. Take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the railing. The piece of foil must be longer to wrap it properly on the metal railing. Take another piece and wrap the railing next to it. The foil serves a protective role. Thanks to it, I won't have to clean the balcony as often. How is that possible? The foil will prevent pigeons from sitting on it. Thanks to it, I no longer have to chase them away or clean up after them. The foil rustles and shines. Birds don't like that. They'll choose other places, but they'll avoid your balcony from now on. Clip a clothespin with a hair tie onto the door handle. You won't regret it. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. I never knew that an ordinary clothespin with a hair tie would become my favorite little gadget. I'm sure you'll love this idea too. Everyone has a clothespin at home, and you only need one. A wooden one works best. You'll also need a hair tie or a rubber band. Make sure it's large enough. Wrap the hair tie around the clothespin, securing it where it would normally grip a clothesline. This will keep the band from slipping. Now, attach the clothespin with the hair tie to the handle of your balcony door. Balcony doors usually don't have an exterior handle, so when you step outside, the door stays open or slightly ajar. But it doesn't have to. With the hair tie attached, step onto the balcony while holding the clothespin. As you go out, simply pull it, and the door will close behind you. This trick is useful in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air into your home just because you stepped outside for a moment. More and more people are hanging balloons on their balconies. The reason is surprising. If you notice such balloons on someone's balcony, they will signify one thing. Although it may seem strange at first, it has a great advantage. In this video, you will learn about their significance. just a few balloons are enough. Choose a few balloons. Maybe you have some balloons at home from carnival or children's birthdays. The more colorful, the better. The size doesn't matter. Inflate them. Tie a ribbon to each balloon. They can be of different colors and lengths. You can even tie 2 or 3 balloons with one ribbon. Go out to the balcony and tie the balloons to the railing. Do it in several places. The balloons can hang on the railing from both sides. The wind will move them. And that's the point. If you notice such balloons on the balcony, you need to know one thing. They are not a balcony decoration. They are also not mounted on it because of a home celebration. It is not any indication of the apartment either. Instead, it is excellent protection. Against what? Against pigeons, balloons deader them. Birds will not land on a balcony with balloons. You don't have to worry that they will build a nest there in the spring or that they will soil your tiles and railing. Just a few balloons are enough to keep birds away. This is a great way to deal with pigeons. Neighbors will quickly start doing the same when they notice that there are no more birds on your balcony. An old gardener showed me a way to protect cherries from birds. They avoid his fruit trees widely. If you have a problem with birds eating the fruits from your garden, watch until the end. This video will solve the problem once and for all. All you need is an old videotape. Inside, there's a black tape. Take it out from the videotape and unwind it. Cut it into 3 1-meter pieces. Then, tie them to the fruit trees and throw the other end to the top of the tree so that it hangs down the entire height of the tree. The tape is so light that the wind moves it even on calm days. The constant movement scares the birds away. This way, they don't sit on the branches and don't eat the cherries. It's surprising that such a simple method is so effective. Try it on your trees. Since I started using this trick, no birds have eaten my cherries. Unfortunately, this method doesn't work on my dog. This is your last chance to act because this trick only works right now. Timing is key. All you need are a few colorful trash bags, and chances are you already have some at home. Just pick a few and take them out onto your balcony. Fill each bag with air and tie it tightly. If you don't have colorful bags, regular plastic ones will work just as well. Even the small produce bags from the grocery store. Now, tie the bags to your balcony railing in a few spots. As they flutter in the wind, they act as a natural scarecrow. It might sound silly at first, but it works. I've been doing this for years, and I get to enjoy a clean, peaceful balcony every spring. No more mess, no more droppings, no more stress. The key is to hang them up before pigeons start nesting. I always put the bags out at the end of March, and ever since I started, I've never had a problem. The pigeons see the bags moving and think there's danger nearby. They stay away and look for other places to nest. This trick is simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. There's no need for harsh chemicals, loud noises, or messy cleanups. Just try it once and you'll see how pigeons vanish as if by magic.